Hi everyone, my name's Heather Fiore. I am from Vineland, New Jersey. I am a librarian at the high school level. I teach ninth through 10th grade, but also assist with 11th and 12th grade. We have a building of over 3,000 students. It's actually two buildings on a campus. Um, I have a lot of responsibilities as the librarian, a lot more than the typical librarian. I do a lot of technology work. I am the go-to person for pretty much everything technology, whether it's issues they're having with it or just teaching students and staff how to use different programs. I'm also the technology stakeholder at the district level. I am on that committee. Some of the other extra things I do, I have been a class advisor for ninth and 10th graders. I am also the STEM advisor, so I do a lot of things with Makerspace as far as robotics, 3D printing. We've made mosaics. We've done a lot of fun activities in that club. Some of the people that have influenced me in my life, definitely number one is my mother. My mother was a single mom. She was a teacher. She worked a second job. She was an extraordinary math teacher. I even had her at the sixth grade level, and she was super hard on me. But, she was amazing. She was really good, had a love for her students, and definitely showed me what it was like to be a good educator and an effective educator. Another person that has influenced me is I worked as an aide at the elementary level when I just got out of high school, and I was an aide to a librarian. Her name was Miss Amari. She was absolutely amazing. I could not say enough about her to anyone. There's just so much good stuff about this librarian. She was elegant. She was classy. She uh, taught with such love and passion. The students loved her. She was strict, very, very strict. However, the students still loved her because the information and the way she portrayed it to the students just engaged them so much. With that, she engaged me as well as I sat through many of lessons and so forth, to the point where I decided to switch from law school to becoming a librarian. Big change. However, the law school portion that I did complete as a paralegal, the research came in very handy, the skills. I am probably one of the better researching librarians than literature. I do love literature. I am very up on it, but technology is more my thing and research. So those are two of the people that have influenced me. As far as my personality test, yes, I do believe that it definitely signifies who I am to a degree. I think that it stated that I am friendly and optimistic, and I am definitely those things. I believe in myself. I am very careful and I'm diligent with my work. I am not a procrastinator of any sort, and you'll probably see that within these modules that I will get them done pretty much immediately. I can't have things lingering over me. I'm just not that person. I need to get things done, and I take in a lot quick, but I have to have it done. I'm open to new experiences. I am open to other people's opinions. I'm a good listener. So I think the personality test definitely showed who I am on a number of levels, even on the creativeness level. I think I'm pretty creative in a lot of ways. I have to create as far as like displays and stuff for my library. I have windows and tons of things that I have to be very creative and engage the students and staff with to encourage them to come into my room and utilize the library. As far as the two leadership theories, I definitely think democratic and participative. I think these two kind of go hand in hand. I draw on other people's energy. I don't mind working in groups. I encourage it. I actually feel that group work is better than doing it alone. However, in times of crisis or if a decision is needed to be made, I am not hesitant to make my own decision and lead by example for the staff. But I do like the idea of being open with my staff. I think it creates just a trust and a bond with them. As long as they understand that, I can't always go with what they think, but we can input it and try and make it work for all of us. So I definitely think those two styles do uh, coincide with who I am and what I'd like to be as an administrator. Um, and that's pretty much it. So I hope you enjoyed this module. Thank you.